So friends, the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset. The phone is expected to be priced between Rs 40,000 and Rs 45,000 in India. Nothing plans to focus on the budget segment ranging from 20,000 to 40,000 rupees and currently has no intention of entering the premium market. This strategic choice likely explains the decision to avoid using a higher-end chipset for the Phone 3. Nothing has kept details about its next flagship phone pre-assembly named the Phone 3 largely under wraps. The transparent back design is likely to continue as it has become a signature of the brand. The clean interface consisting of LED lights that can be controlled via software for notifications and as video fill lights is expected to be enhanced further. For specifications, Nothing may follow a strategy similar to the Phone 2, which used the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor instead of the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. This approach helps keep costs lower without a significant performance compromise. However, with the introduction of Qualcomm supplement chips like the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, there's a possibility of a shift in strategy. The Phone 3 is unlikely to feature a MediaTek chipset sticking to Qualcomm processor. One potential design change hinted by CEO Carl Pei's social media post includes the addition of a new button, possibly similar to the iPhone's action button or a dedicated shutter button. Nothing is known for its minimalistic software approach, avoiding unnecessary bloatware. The Phone 3 is expected to build on the aesthetics-focused interface of its predecessor. The Phone 2 added heavy theming options including an optical black and white home screen look and thoughtful lock screen widgets. The Phone 3 will likely continue this trend, offering more customization options. Nothing currently promises 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of bi-monthly security patches. However, with competitors like Samsung and Google offering longer support periods, there's hope that the Phone 3 will receive extended software support. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.